Hare Krishna everyone, we're continuing to read the Teachings of Lord Kapila, the book by His Divine Grace Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Chapter 3, How to Understand the Lord's Activities. Advaitam achyutam anadim anantarupam Adyam Purana Purusham Navayovanam Cha. Brahma Samhita 5.33. He is the Adipurusha, the original soul of all. Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami. Lord Brahma says that he is not Adipurusha, but that Govinda, Krishna, is the Adipurusha. This Krishna has many expansions. Advaitam achyutam anadim anantarupam. He has no beginning, but he is the beginning of everything. He has expanded himself in many forms. The Vishnu Tattva consists of Bhagavat Tattva Swamsha, the personal expansions. We are also Krishna's forms, but we are Vibhinamsha, separated expansions. We are the expansions of the energies. According to Krishna in Bhagavad Gita 7.5, Apareyamitastvanyam prakritim vidhime param jiva bhutam mahabaho yayadam dharyate jagat. Quote, besides the inferior nature, almighty armed Arjuna, there is a superior energy of mind which consists of the living entities who are struggling with material nature and are sustaining the universe. Unquote. Thus, there are the Jiva Prakriti, the Para Prakriti expansions, who belong to Krishna's superior energy. In any case, Krishna is always Svach Chandatma, without anxiety. Even if he is killing a demon, he experiences no anxiety. That is also confirmed in the Vedas. Natasya karyam karanam cha vidyate, natat samascha vyadhikascha drishyate. Parasya shaktir vividhaiva shruyate svabhaviki jnana balakriyacha. Quote, the Supreme Lord has nothing to do, for everything is done automatically by his various potencies. No one is seen to be equal to or greater than him. Unquote, Shvetashvatara Upanishad 6.8. Shri Krishna has nothing to do personally. It is his energy that acts. When an important man wants to get something done, he simply tells his secretary, who does everything. The important man is quite confident that because he has told his secretary, his desires will be carried out. The secretary is a person, energy, Shakti. If an ordinary man within this world has many energies in the form of secretaries, then we can hardly imagine the energies possessed by Shri Krishna. Shri Krishna is Jagad Ishvara, the controller of the entire universe, and thus he is managing the entire universe. Foolish people say that there is no brain behind the universe, but this is due to ignorance. By taking information from the Shastras, the scriptures, we can understand who that brain is. We can understand who that brain is. according to Shri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita 9.10. Maya dyakshena prakriti suyate sacharacharam hetunanena kaunteya jagadviparivartate. Quote, "This material nature is working under my direction, O son of Kunti, and producing all moving and unmoving beings. By its rule, this manifestation is created and annihilated again and again." Unquote. We see his energies working in this material world all the time. There is thunder and rain, and from rain comes the food we enjoy. This process is outlined in Bhagavad Gita 3.14. Annad bhavanti bhutani parjanyad anna sambhavaha yagyad bhavati parjanyo yagya karma samudbhavaha. Quote, "All living beings subsist on food grains, which are produced from rains. Rains are produced by performance of yagya, sacrifice, and yagya is born of prescribed duties." Unquote. The origin of everything is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Through yagya, sacrifice, we have to satisfy the Supreme Person, and yagyas can be executed when human society is regulated according to the Varnashrama Dharma, the system of 4 social orders, Varnas, and 4 spiritual orders, Ashramas. There are 4 Varnas, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra, and 4 Ashramas, Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyas. These Varnas and Ashramas have their respective duties, and unless human society is divided according to these 8 scientific divisions, and everyone acts according to his position, there can be no peace in the world. Varnashrama charavata purushena parapuman Vishnur aradyate pantha nanyat tatto shakaranam. Quote, "The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Vishnu, is worshipped by the proper execution of prescribed duties in the system of Varna and Ashrama. There is no other way to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead." Unquote. Vishnu Purana 3.8.9. The ultimate goal of all activity is the satisfaction of the Supreme Lord, Vishnu. Nate vidu svartha gatim hi Vishnu. Bhagavatam 7.5.31. Foolish people do not know that the ultimate interest is the satisfaction of Vishnu. Therefore, when there are dharmasya glani, discrepancies in dharma, Krishna or his incarnation personally comes. It is therefore said, Yad yad vidhatte bhagavan. Although he comes, he has no anxiety. He comes by his internal potency. And he does not take help from anyone. He possesses a variety of energies, all of which work correctly and perfectly. Parasya Shaktir Vividhaiva Shruyate Svabhaviki Jnana Balakriyacha. Impersonalists cannot understand how everything is being carried out perfectly, because they cannot understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Mohitam na bhijanati mamebhyah param avyayam. As stated by Krishna in Bhagavad Gita 7.14, Daivi hyesha gunamai mama maya duratyaya mam eva ye prapadyante mayam etam tarantite. Quote, this divine energy of mine, consisting of the three modes of material nature, is difficult to overcome, but those who have surrendered unto me can easily cross beyond it. Unquote. Being covered by the three modes of material nature, one cannot understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead. However, the Supreme Lord reveals Himself to His devotees. It is our business to understand Krishna in truth. Then our lives will be successful. It is not that we can succeed by understanding Krishna superficially. It is therefore stated here, Tani meshra dadhanasya kirtanya nyanukirtaya. The word anukirtaya, as we have initially pointed out, means that we should not manufacture anything. The word anu means to follow. Therefore, the Bhagavat Tattva or Bhagavan can be understood only by the Parampara system, the system of disciplic succession. Okay, we're going to stop here for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. The link to this book is in the description. Please check out our website shravanamdiaries.com, and we shall see you tomorrow. Hare Krishna.